How to book in booking.com. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video, I will simply guide you through the steps on how you can book on booking.com app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to book on the booking.com app, all you have to do is first of all just launch the booking.com application and then make sure that you're signed into your account. So whether you want to book a car rental or a taxi or maybe some hotel stays or hotel bookings, you can just select your destination over here. Then once you select your specific destination from the list, you should be able to go ahead and actually figure out the best places that is actually near you. So let me just go ahead and search for a specific place that I want to book a hotel in. Let's say I'll just go to select that location and I'm just going to select dates, and then you can select 1 room, 2 adults and whatever else, and then just click on search button. Then once you click on the search button over here, you should be able to actually see the list of available hotels here, and once you see a list of these available hotels, you can just select them, and then here you'll be able to see a list of those dates, and then all you need to do is just click on the select rooms option, select a specific room, and then just click on reserve button in order to reserve it right over here. This is simply how you can book on booking.com. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.